Hi, kindergartners. It's Mrs. Deragisch here to talk to you about opinion writing again. And today, what we're going to talk about are giving those reasons for your opinions. So, I want you guys to think about what we talked about last week. We had a very special magic word. Do you guys remember what that is? Shout it out. Did you say because? You got it. So what we're going to do for fun today is we're going to listen to one of our old favorite stories, Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late. And we're going to chat after it's done. But here's what I want you to think about while you're listening to this story. Do you think the pigeon should stay up late? Here we go.
Don't let the pigeon stay up late. Oh, good. It's you. Listen, it's getting late and I need to brush my teeth. Can you do me a favor? Don't let the pigeon stay up late. Thanks. First of all, I'm not even tired. In fact, I'm in the mood for a hot dog party. What do you say? No. Humph. I hear there's a good show about birds on TV tonight. Should be very educational. How about 5 more minutes? Come on. What's 5 minutes in the grand scheme of things? What? What? I'm not tired. You know, we never get to talk anymore. Tell me about your day. Oh, I've got a great idea. We could count the stars. Can I have a glass of water? Studies show that pigeons hardly need any sleep at all. It's the middle of the day in China. I'll go to bed early tomorrow night instead. Hey, ho, ho! This here pigeon just won't go. Please. My bunny wants to stay up too. You can't say no to a bunny, can you? Oh, yawn. Okay, that was not a yawn. I was stretching. I'm yawn 110% awake. You haven't heard the yawn last of me. Great work. Thanks. Good night. Thanks for listening.
Okay, so now I want you guys to tell me what you think. Should the pigeon stay up late or not? And you're going to ask your parents for this piece of paper right here that you can see. And at the top, it says, should the pigeon stay up late? Why or why not? So you're going to write down, yes, I think the pigeon should stay up late because, and tell me why. Or you're going to write, no, I think the pigeon should not stay up late because, and tell me your reason. Okay? See you soon, guys. Bye.